Assalamualaikum viewers, I am Mahian Jalil. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you how can I stop filter messages in Facebook. So let's get started. First, we have to install Facebook apps and Messenger apps. After that, we have to log into Messenger. So now we have to click on the icon. Okay. After that, this page is come. Now you have to choose privacy. This one. You can see here message delivery. You have to click on it. Then you can see people with your number. It's come in chat. You can do don't receive request. Then friends of on Facebook. You can select don't receive request, and others on Facebook you can also give it don't receive request. Okay, now your account is safe. No one can send you message, and you don't have to go filter for seeing this. No filter message will come. You can see on your eyes. So that's it. Thanks for watching my video. So if you are interested, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Do like, comment and share with your friends and family.